How's it going today, everybody, and welcome back to Shaner's Mechanic Life. Got a 2015 GMC Terrain here. Complaint is issues with the Bluetooth and the hands-free. As far as the hands-free, they're saying, a phone call would come up on the screen. No matter what they press, answer, or hang up, nothing would happen. So they'd miss the call. As well as it would dictate the text messages as they came in. That stopped working. So then I looked up ways to reset the system, one of which was pressing and holding the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. Some people say that reset the system. Tried it, that didn't work. As well as you go up to your OnStar. You press this button once and you'll hear this.
OnStar ready.
And then you press it again.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Some people said that reset the system. Still didn't work. Some people said you can disconnect the battery for so long and then hook it back up. But then, you lose all your other presets and seat memory, all your other options in your car. Just a hassle to reset everything. So I decided to do some looking around myself. So go to configuration. Scroll down. Oh, sorry. You want to go to radio settings. Keep going down all the way to the bottom. See software versions menu. You can update your software, but we didn't have the USB to do that. You go to the bottom, clear and reset radio. Press that. I was kind of skeptical. Am I going to lose all my presets? All that kind of information. So I went and I took pictures of my favorite stations, stuff like that. So I pressed that. Clear all data and reset the radio. I pressed yes. Shut off. And you wait a few seconds here. It starts back up. That's promising. Everything came back on, and when I turned the radio on and satellite radio, all my presets are still there, everything like that. The only thing that was missing was all my Bluetooth items. So you just have to go in, resync your phone, and give it a try. It's definitely something easy you can try by yourself. You don't have to go to the dealership, don't have to spend any money, and it's something you can do from just sitting in the driver's seat. Now, unfortunately, I couldn't get the problem to duplicate on me because it was the intermittent problem. So I'm going to give it back to them, let them try. As you can see, we're September 7th here. Give it a few days, and I'll let you know how it is. Well, it's now the 14th, a full week after, and the system has been absolutely problem-free. So just rebooting the radio is what did the trick to get our Bluetooth and everything working. Hope this video was helpful, and I definitely hope it helps someone save a trip to the dealer or another shop to get this problem rectified. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more like it, hit the subscribe button and notification bell in the bottom right hand corner. That way you get notified when I get new videos coming out. Well, that's it for tonight, everybody. Have a good night, and thanks for watching.